In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Calendly meeting link if you're trying to streamline your scheduling process and need a quick guide to locate your meeting links. You're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Calendly's homepage. You'll recognize it as it prominently displays the tagline, Free Online Appointment Scheduling Software. This is your starting point. You'll find numerous resources here for utilizing Calendly to manage your appointments effectively. Once you're on the home page, look towards the right-hand corner of the screen and you'll spot the login button. Click on that. This action will take you to the login page where you have various options to sign into your account. For those who prefer a streamlined process, Calendly offers a convenient Continue with Google button, which is what we'll use here today. This option allows for quick and easy login if your details are already stored with Google. So click on Continue with Google. You'll then see a list of Google accounts currently logged in on your browser. Select the account that you have associated with your Calendly account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you choose the correct one to seamlessly access your appointments and events. This step is crucial for maintaining the correct synchronization across platforms. After logging in, you will arrive at your Calendly dashboard. It's your central hub where all your meetings and appointments are managed. Here, you want to look for the section labeled Event Types. It's typically located on the menu to the left. Clicking here will display all the different types of events you have set up, from one-on-one meetings to group sessions. Scroll through your event types until you find the Zoom meeting event type. This is where your virtual meeting link details are stored. Click on Zoom Meeting to access more detailed options pertaining to this particular event type. This step is especially important if you regularly use Zoom for your virtual meetings, ensuring attendees receive the correct link. Finally, here comes the key part, locating your Calendly meeting link. You'll see on the page for your Zoom meeting the option to copy link. Just click on it to copy your meeting link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into an email, message, or any other form of communication to invite people to your meeting without hassle. It's useful to keep this link handy so you can quickly share it whenever needed. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to find and share your Calendly